Sige lang po. Okay, baba ka na. Hindi naman kita. Okay, good afternoon everyone and welcome back to our live. Dito po tayo sa bahay ng ating Xavier School. Isa na namang laban ng ating kapanapanabikang laban sa pagitan ng Xavier School versus De La Salle Green Hills. This is the Paya League 2025 Mini 2013 Division. Ayan, muli maraming salamat po sa ating puting Mayor Francis Zamora, Ma'am Kerry Zamora, and sa pamilya Zamora as well. Ayan, isang honor na ma-cover ang inyong mga laban, both teams. Ayan, the battle of rivalry na rin ang labanang ito, Xavier versus La Salle. Tingnan natin kung madedepensahan ng Xavier School ang kanilang home advantage or magiging tuloy-tuloy ang panalo dito ng La Salle Green Hills. Ayan, sama natin dito sa aking kanan ang La Salle Green Hills by Noah Zamora. Oopsie. And the rest of the team, andyan sila Cruz, Oriel Marty, ayan, Alvar, and Kan Manghahas. Dito sila Ojeda, Karakot, Martinez or Martinez as well, Ojeda. Ayan, isa sa mga young guns ng La Salle Green Hills Mini 2013. At sa aking kaluwa naman, ayan, nandito ang ating the future star na si Javilla. Ayan, sila Riley Yu, Texon Go. Ayan, nandito rin sila Yani Barreto as well, nandito for Xavier School Santo Tomas. Ayan, sa mga young gun naman ng Xavier. Muli, binabati po ang bawat isa na magandang hapon. Enjoy watching our live. Shoutout kala Miss Abby Dompit. Thank you sa pag-share, Kevin Allen de Marukot. Maraming salamat, brother. And good luck sa inyong mga laban from La Salle Green Hills. Ayan, shoutout tayo kay partner Rudy, Kagawad Rudy Alfonso. Ayan, dito si Sir Anthony Cruz. Ayan, hindi nagpapahulihan si Sir Anthony. Sama rin natin ang kanyang anak dito. Parang hindi ko natin napansin si Loki. Ayan, si Loki Cruz nandito rin sa team ng Lasal for 2013. And then shoutout din kay Ma'am kay Hefner Yu. Get well soon. Kaya pala, hindi ko napansin si Loki dito. Sa Lasal, Green Hills. And shout out. Ayan, sa ating idol, si paring, si brother. Shout out. Matt Pandoy. Ayan, sa mga matitinik nating tagapitik ng ating mga laban. Ayan, si Matt Pindoy Photography. Let's go! Let's start the ball game. First ball, mapupunta sa Xavier Yanni. And there's a foul. Mahagang na foul dito para sa Lasal Green Hills. On the free throw area, jersey number 24, Yanni Barreto. First shot para kay Yanni. And the first point para sa labang ito, nagmula kay Yanni Barreto. Second shot is good, 2 for 2. Ayan, shoutout po kay Ma'am Joanne Barreto na napaka-supportive sa kanyang anak na si Yanni, sa kanyang mga shoutout po Ma'am Joanne Barreto, sa mga pagkala natin kasama yan, at sa mga nagtitiwala from a Savior. Let's go, Yanni. Pass number 26, Santo Tomas. Back to Yanni Barreto. Pass to Santo Tomas. Oh, sorry, that's number 26. And that's a 24 or 3 seconds. 3 seconds violation. Bola rito ng Lasal Green Hills. Cruz. Oh, there's a foul. Diretso lang ating oras. Ito po. Ayan na. Number 67. To Ojeda. Ojeda. Number 67. Back to Ojeda. Binigay. Ojeda for 3. Short. Rebound. Martinez. Wala. Rebound dito ng Xavier. Outlet pass. Yanni Barreto. Basket is good. Nakaka 4 points na dito si Yanni. Ayan na. Steal by Riley. Out of bounds. Wala ng Lasal. Cruz. Pass number 67. Bad pass. Martinez to number 57 to Ojeda. Number 67. Pinasa sa corner. Tumira. Short. Rebound. Uy, last touch ni Riley. correction. Bola rito ng Xavier. Ay na. Number 33. Pass to Santo Tomas. 4-3. Wala. Rebound by Martinez. Outlet pass. Steal by Santo Tomas. Santo Tomas. Pass to Yanni. Barreto setting on the play. Barreto. Oh, steal by Ojeda. Ojeda tumira and there's a foul. Number 3. Santo Tomas. That is first personal foul. First team foul. On the free throw area, jersey number 8, Ojeda. Wala. Second shot para kayo, Ojeda. Time remaining 6 minutes and 48 seconds. Second shot, no good. Rebound ng Lasal. Number 67, pass to Ojeda. Ojeda to number 67, setting on the screen. Binigay sa Ojeda, kick out, fake, stop and pop, short, rebound. Cruz with a reverse layup. And that, no basket daw po yun, sabi ng ating referee. Bola rito ng Xavier. Santo Tomas, pass to you. Riley, bad pass, steal by Martinez. Uy, bad pass din. Bola ng Xavier. Santo Tomas. Uy, bad pass, steal by number 67 to Ojeda. Pass to Cruz to number 57. Waiting for his teammate. Pass to Ojeda sa corner. Martinez. Martinez umatake. Tumira. Wala. Rebound by you. Ay na si Riley. Pass to Yanni. Yanni. Naka-recover. Yanni. Out of bounds. Last touch. Bola rito ng Xavier. Substitution. Villa coming in. Villa with a pick. Pass to Tenorio. Tenorio. Pass to Hobb. To you. You at the high post. Blocked by Martinez. Out of bounds. Same ball. Time out. Xavier. Official scores 4 minutes. Official score is 4-0 in favor of Xavier. Parang kasi sila referee. Hindi ko makita. Alright, back to the ball game. Shout out kila Ma'am Joanne Barreto, Michael Santo Tomas, Sir Erwin Tan, and also shout out kay Ma'am Giza C. Tang, or Ma'am Giza Tang. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. This is the battle of rivalry against the Xavier School and LaSalle. Let's go. Ayan na. Uy. Out of bounds. Bola ng LaSalle. Ito sa mga pinaka-aabangan sa larangan ng basketball. Ayan na si Cruz. Pass to number 57. Pass to Ojeda. Ojeda to number 67. That's Almero. Cross. Backdoor pass to Ojeda. Steal. Bayani. Barreto all the way. Yes, sir. 6-0. Nakakaalim na dito si Yani. Time remaining 3 minutes and 44 seconds. Seven to Martires. Martires tumira, wala. Rebound by Martires. Out of bounds. Santo Tomas to Yani. Back to Santo Tomas. Uy, ayan na si Go. There's a foul. Foul ba? Jump ball. Bola rito ng Lasal. Time remaining 2 minutes and 51 seconds. Ojeda. Pass to tumira, wala. Cruz. And there's a foul. Free throw area, jersey number 3, Cruz. Shoutout tayo kay Sir Benedicto Kyoto, kay Sir Carl Angelo Gallardo, and kay Kurt Villanueva. Oh, what a nice cut by Martires. Ayan na ang savior. There's a foul. Acuzar. Santo Tomas, pass to Riley. You attacking the basket, too strong. Rebound by Yani. Pass to Santo Tomas. Go. Attacking the basket. Oh, there's a foul. On the free throw area, jersey number 11, Riley Yu. Second shot para kay Go. Wala. Rebound by Martires. Martires looking for a teammate. Pass to Acuzar. To Cruz. Cruz sumalaksak. Tumira. Using the glass. Basket is good. Mabasa dalawang lamang ng Xavier. Santo Tomas. Ayun na. To Riley. Riley nagmamadali. Umatake. Block by Martires. Foul. Foul ba? Good luck para kay Martires. Bola ng Xavier. Santo Tomas looking for his teammate. Pass to Go. Go to Wang. Wang to Go. Go. Tumira, wala. Rebound by Go, but there's a foul. Shoutout po kay Ma'am Kerry Zamora. Magandang gabi po, ma'am. Wow, maraming salamat po sa 500 store. Just Escoto Acuzar. Maraming salamat po. lamang po ang natitira sa ating first quarter. Official score 6-5. Ojeda, may tanga ng bola. Pass to Acozar. Acozar to number 34. Binigay. Ayan, minasok na rin pala dito si Noah Zamora. Oopsie! Out of bounds. Let's go, Noah. And number 16, that is Noah Zamora. Time remaining, last 49 seconds. Bola ng Xavier. You. Outlet pass to Wong. Wong. Pass to you. You sa dulo. Pass to go. Ayan na si number 2. You. 5 seconds to shoot. Santo Tomas, too strong. Rebound by Noah Zamora. Pass to Ojeda. Pass to Cruz. Cruz. Offensive foul by jersey number 34. Time remaining, last 12 seconds. May pagkakataon dito ang makashoot pa ang Xavier or Alasal to get the steal. Santo Tomas looking for his teammate. Santo Tomas. Bad pass. Last 11 seconds sa ating first quarter. Santo Tomas. Binigay. Ayan na. 7 seconds. Wong umatake. Fake block by Ojeda. 2, 1. Tira. Acozar for 3. Ooh, there's a end of the first quarter. Sayang, hindi umabot ang tira doon ni Acozar. Official score is 6. Official score is 7-4 rather. Sa pagtatapos ng ating first quarter. And ito po ang sabi po ng ating official, 7-4. Lamang pa rin ang Xavier. Tignan natin ang huddle ng ating LaSalle Green Hills. Alright, second quarter tayo. Back to the ball game. Bola rito ng ating Xavier ng home team. Santo Tomas looking for his teammate. Binigay. Bad pass. Bola rito ng Xavier. Oh, correction. Ano ba? Xavier ball. Wong. I-discarte. Wong, sidestep, up and under, nakalusot sa kilikili. What a nice move by Wong. Ay na, bad pass. Let's go. Yan natin kung makakabawi dito ang LaSalle. Bola ng Xavier. You, pass to Wong. Setting on the screen. That is C. Number 33, Santo Tomas, stop and pop, no good. Rebound by Ojeda. Ojeda, outlet pass. Aida, steal. Ng Xavier, Wong with the cross. Wong atake. Oh, good defense para sa LaSalle. Cruz. Cruz nagmamadali. 3 against 3. Cruz tumira, wala. Rebound by Santo Tomas. Santo Tomas naka-recover. Pass to C. Ay na sa C. Running shot. No good. Rebound by Noah Zamora. Ay na si Noah Zamora, pass to Ojeda. Outlet pass. Oh, what a nice steal. Out of bounds nga lang. Good defense para sa Xavier. For a fast break ng Lasal. Substitution. 7 minutes and 38 seconds na lamang po ang natitira sa ating second quarter. Ojeda. Pass to number 12. That is Ochoa. That's a traveling violation kay Ojeda. Bola ng Xavier. Santo Tomas, pass to si number 33, Binigay, Hub, Villa, pass number 33, running shot, basket. Lumalaki na ang kalamangan ng Xavier. Oriel, pinas na rin para sa Lasal. Ochoa, pass to Oriel, Marty. Binigay. Kick out to Oriel. Pinas sa corner. Ochoa. Fake. Pinas sa loob. Number 34. Basket is good. Bola ng Xavier. Santo Tomas. Uy, that's a 5 seconds violation. Time out. Lasal Green Hills. Time remaining 6 minutes and 13 seconds. Kanina po may game ang Don Bosco. Let's go, Animo Lasal. Okay, back to the ball game tayo. With the time remaining 6 minutes and 13 seconds. Bola ng Lasal. Ochoa looking for his teammate. Sino bibigyan? Si Marty. Catch and shoot. Basket para kay Marty. Oriel. Ayan na ang Xavier. Number 33 to Villa. Too strong. Rebound by Noah Zamora. Pass to Marty. Marty. Pass to Ochoa. Binigay sa corner. Fake. Matake. And there's a traveling violation. Official score is 9-11 po. According po yan sa ating official. Santo Tomas looking for his teammate. Oopsie. That's a 7 on the line. Time remaining 5 minutes and 10 seconds. Oriel looking for his teammate. Sino papasahan? Oh, bad pass. Ochoa will recover. Ochoa binasa sa corner. Gets the 3. Yes, sir! Para sa 3. By jersey number 27 or 21. There is he. Change favor tayo. Hindi. 2 points lang daw po. Sabi natin official. Riley Yu attacking the basket and there's a foul. Foul dito. Si Noah Zamora gets the first personal foul. Second team foul. 2 shots para kay Riley Yu. First shot para kay Riley, no good. Fisher scores all 11. Second shot para kay Riley. Yu gets the shot. Balik ang kalamangan si Xavier. Bad pass by Marty. Steal by Yanni. Pass to number 33. No good. Makukuha ni Yanni. Pass to Riley. Binigay. Yu. Riley attacking the basket. And there's the foul. Bounce pass. Steal by Marty. Oriel, Oriel, pass to number 34, pass to Ochoa, blocked there by the Xavier. Riley with a rebound, nagmamadali si Riley. Riley, yun lang, lifting violation. Time remaining 2 minutes and 44 seconds. Bola ng Lasal. Oriel, nagmamadali, binigay. What a nice extra pass. No good by number 34. Ayan na si Riley. Outlet pass to Villa. Uy, out of bounds. Bola rito, na Lasal. Noah Zamora. Pass to Marty. Marty with a double team. Bad pass. Steal by Yanni. Yanni up and under. No good. Rebound number 26. Wala. Rebound again. Makakuha. Ni number 67. Ayan na si Marty. Marty with a cross. Pass to Noah Zamora. Fake. Pinasa sa low post. Number 34. Tumira. And there's a foul. Shooting on the line na jersey number 34. Inucando. First shot para kay Inucando. No good. Second shot is good. Tabla tayo sa 12. Ayan na. Boy, what a pass. Yu, sumalaksak. Block by Noah Zamora. Inucando. Pass to Marty. Oriel. Binigay. Number 67 for 2. No good. Rebound. Ayan na. Nagmamadali. Block by Marty. Makukuha ng Lasal. Pass to Inucando. Inucando with a strong drive. Basket is good. Balik ang kalamangan. Or change favor. Lamang ang Lasal. Green Hills. Yu. Stop and pop. Wala. Rebound. Nakuha ni Barreto. Catch and shoot. No good. Rebound by Marty. Oriel. To Noah Zamora. Binigay. Pass to number 67. Pass to Noah Zamora for 3. Short. Rebound. Xavier, outlet pass to Yanni all the way, no good. Rebound by Noah Zamora. Outlet pass again. Number 21. See. Pass to number 67. Wala. Rebound ng Xavier. Ayan na si Yanni. 2 against 2. Number 5. Uy. And that's a traveling violation. Ganda ng depensahan ng both teams. Time remaining, last 12 seconds. Timeout ba? Walang tayong timeout. Bola rito ng Lasal. Number 67. Pass to Noah Zamora. Noah to Marty. Steal by Yanni. To number 5. Tumira. And a good defense dito. In Noah. There is a Noah Zamora. Get the stop. Lamang pa rin dito ang Lasal Green Hills. The official score is 14-12. At the half, magbabalik tayo para sa third quarter. Ayan, bati tayo sa shoutout. Shoutout din kay Juan Paulo Del Rosario and kay Maria Dana. Sabi niya, go Vito and let's go Miggy Martires. And shoutout din kay Sir Nilo Barrera. Sabi naman niya, go Kuya Vito. Alright, magbabalik tayo para sa ating third quarter. Back to the ball game tayo. Third quarter. Bola ng Lasal Green Hills. Let's go. Third quarter. Ojeda. Pass to Acosar. Almeron got 3, no good. Rebound by Riley. Oh, that's a foul. Bola ng Xavier. Barreto, may tangan ng bola. Yanni. Setting on the screen. Oh, steal by Ojeda. Ojeda. Tumira. No good. Rebound. Acosar. Oh, sorry. That Almeron. Basket. Ayun ang pressure defense ng Lasal. Nakalusot. Atake. Ooh. There's a foul. Number 67. That's Almeron. 2 shots para kay Riley. Shot para kay Riley. Wala. Second shot. No good. Rebound by Almeron. And stepping on the line. Bola rito ng Lasal. Oh, correction. Xavier. Santo Tomas. Bigay. Steal by Ojeda. Ayan na. Pass to Martires. To Ojeda. Almeron. Pass to Martires. To Ojeda from elbow 3. Wala. Rebound by Martires. Block by Riley. Out of bounds. Same ball. Ojeda to Martires. And there's a foul. Shooting on the line. Jersey number 14. Martinez, or Martires rather. That's Miggy Martires. First shot, no good. Martires. Get the shot, wala. Rebound by Ojeda. Ojeda, pass to Martires. Ooh, that's a traveling violation. Bola na Xavier. Ayan na. Si number 10. Oh, nakalusot si number 10. Ayan na, humahabol na ang Xavier. Martires. Pass to Mangahas. Ojeda, Martires, Miggy. Bounce pass to Ojeda. And there's a foul. Shooting on the line, jersey number 8, Ojeda. Shot para kay Ojeda. Basket. Substitution. Cruz coming in for Mangahas. Time out. Good. C. Pass to Riley. To Yanni. Barreto to C. C, binigay sa corner. Santo Tomas, pull-up jumper. No good. Rebound by Santo Tomas. Tumira. No call. Makukuha ni Cruz. Pass to Mangahas. Mangahas. May tanga ng bola. Ano ba? Sorry, correction for the Martires. Sorry, that's a Pencan. Oh, steal by Cruz. Cruz, umatake, using the glass. Wala, rebound again by Cruz. And that's a traveling violation. Bola pa rin dito ng Lasal. Barreto. Pass to Santo Tomas. To C. Santo Tomas. Pass to you. Oh, steal by Martires. To Ojeda. Pass to Pencan. Spin. Tumira. And there's a foul. Pencan on the free throw area. Jersey number 9. Time remaining 4 minutes and 44 seconds. Isang timeout po tayo. Get Wilson and Riley. Okay, back to the ball game tayo. 4 minutes and 44 seconds. 17 to 14. On the free throw area, jersey number 9, Pencan. Shot no good. Basket. Pencan. 4 minutes and 44 seconds. See. Oh, steal by Pencan. Pencan. Pass to number 57. Cozart to Ojeda. Back to Pencan. Matakit. Tumira. And there's a foul. And that's offensive foul para sa Lasal. Bola dito ng Xavier. See. Pass number 26. Steal by Cruz. Bounce pass to Ojeda. Nakalusot. Assisted by Cruz. Yani. Pass to Wong. Wong nakalusot. Pero nandoon si Cruz. Wong. Bounce pass. Number 26. Blocked by Martirez. Martirez out that pass. Oy. Out of bounds. Timeout dito. Ang Xavier. Fisher scores 14 to 20. Lamang pa rin ang Lasal Green Hills. Hindi rin pala nakalaro sa Xavier dito. Si Idol. Ang court side ng Lasal. Back to the ball game. Wong. Santo Tomas, steal by Cruz. Cruz all the way, basket. 22 to 14. Wong. Santo Tomas. Oh, there's a foul. Substitution. And Ocando coming in for Pencan. Pencan. Wong. Pass to C. C to Santo Tomas. At the post, fade away shot, no good. Rebound by Enocando. Enocando. Pass to Ojeda. Ojeda with a cross. Pinasa sa corner. Cruz tumira. Wala. Rebound by Santo Tomas. Santo Tomas. Out that pass to Yanni Barreto with a easy layup. Sumabay pa. Ayan na. Ang Lasal. Wala. Rebound by Santo Tomas. Steal by Ojeda. Ojeda. And there's a foul. Number 3. If I'm not mistaken, that is second personal foul by Santo Tomas. Noah Zamora coming in for Lasal Green Hills. Ojeda. No good. Time remaining 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Lamang pa rin dito ang Lasal Green Hills. Ojeda in and out. Rebound ng Xavier. Ayan na si Wong. Wong. Stop and pop. Wala. Rebound. Makukuha ni Wong. Wong tumira. Wala pa rin. Santo Tomas. Using the board. Basket. 22 to 18. Cruz. Oh, bad pass. Steal by C. 3 against 1. C all the way. Nakalusot. Si C. Ayan na. Humahabol na ang home team. Ojeda. Ojeda nagmamadali. Binigay kay Cruz. Bad pass. Last touch. Bola rito ng Xavier. Time remaining 1 minute and 34 seconds sa ating third quarter. Bola ng Xavier. C. Pinasa sa corner. Wong with the Hesi. Floater. No good. Rebound by Cruz. Outlet pass to Ojeda. Natapikan. Still. Makukuha ni Yanni. Pass to Santo Tomas. To C. C. Looking for his teammate. Ayan na si C. Di-discarte. Stop and pop. Wala. Rebound. Makukuha ni Enocando. Pass to Noah Zamora. Outlet pass. Ojeda to Ochoa. Basket is good. 24 to 20. Balik sa apat ang kalamangan ng Lasal. Oh, steal by Cruz with a side step. Basket yan by Cruz. Ang Lasal naman ngayon ang tatanggap ng opensa at depensa. Ayan na si Wong. Wong, outlet pass. Makuha ni C. C with the Hesi. Pass to Wong. Wong, back to C. C for 3. No good. Rebound. Out of bounds. Bola ng Lasal. Time remaining. Last 19 seconds. 19.8 seconds remaining para sa ating third quarter. Lamang ng 6 ang Lasal. Ayan na. Ojeda. Pass to Cruz. Cruz. Pass Ojeda. Ojeda to Ochoa. Catch and shoot. Basket. Para kay Ochoa. 3 seconds. 2-1. And there you have it. End of the third quarter. Official score 28 to 20 in favor pa rin sa Lasal Green Hills. Alright, dito na tayo sa pinaka-exciting part ng laro. Ang fourth and last quarter. Makakahabol kaya dito ang home team, ang Xavier, or tuluyan ng kukunin na ng Lasal Green Hills ang panalo. Malalaman natin yan maya-maya lamang sa ating pagbabalik sa fourth quarter. Let's go. Fourth quarter game. Bola rito ng Xavier. C. Diskarte. C. Bounce pass to Riley. Oh, sorry, that's number 33. C. Pass to number 33. Block. Santo Tomas. Basket. 28-22. Baba sa anim ang Kalamangan. Cruz. Pinagay. Enocando. Basket. 30-22. Ay na Santo Tomas. Pass to number 33 to C. Setting on the play. Back to number 33. To go. No good. Rebound ng Lasal. Ochoa. May tanga ng bola. Ochoa to Martires. Martires. Double dribble. Ang tawag doon ng ating referee. Bola ng Xavier. Substitution. Yanni coming in for C. Barreto, may tanga ng bola. Barreto, pinigay. Go. Ayan na si Go. Out of bounds. Bola ng Xavier. Go. May tanga ng bola. Go. Pinigay. Number 33. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by Cruz. Outlet pass. Ayan na. Ojeda. Wala. Rebound by Go. Go. To number 33. Pass to Go. To Yanni. Barreto. To Go. Uy. That's it. Traveling. Violation. Lasal Green Hills basketball. Ayan na. What a nice pass by Cruz to Enocando. 32-22. Malaki na ang Kalamangan ng Lasal. Go. Oopsie. There's a foul number 3. There's Cruz. Timeout. Official score 22-32, 10-point lead para sa Lasal Green Hills. The time remaining 7 minutes and 11 seconds. Back to the ball game. Let's go Noah Zamora and the rest of the Lasal Green Hills. Para naman sa Xavier, andyan sila Yanni. That's Kim, rather. Ayan na, let's go. Yanni. Pass to Go. Reverse layup. Block by Enocando. Noah Zamora. May tanga ng bola. Pass to Ojeda. Ojeda with Hesse. Setting on the play. Ojeda. Pass to Ochoa. Pass to Cruz. Cruz up and under. Reverse layup. And nandun si Enocando. May kasama pang foul. On the free throw area, jersey number 34, Enocando. Second shot. Basket. 33-22. Steal. Pa Enocando. Pass to Ojeda. To Enocando. Wala. Rebound. Makakuha na Enocando. What a good hustle. I know Zamora there. Pero nakalusot. See you. What a block by Cruz. Riley. And there's a foul. Shooting on the line of jersey number 37. Riley Yu. Substitution. Santo Tomas. NC coming in for Kim. First shot para kay Riley. Wala. Second shot. Riley. Basket. Mabasa single digit ang Lasal. Noah Zamora. Oh, bad pass. Yanni kick out to C. Oh, block. Rebound by Ojeda. Ojeda binigay. Bad pass. Steal by Riley. Outlet pass to Yanni. Out of bounds. No good. Rebound by Santo Tomas. Pass to Yanni. Steal by Martires. Ayan na si Miggy up and under. Basket is good. 35-23. Out of bounds. Time remaining 3 minutes and 47 seconds. Number 33, pinasa sa post. Riley, tumira, wala. And out of bounds. Bola ng Lasal. Cruz. To Ojeda. Pass to Martires. Oh, there's a foul. Free throw area, Miggy, Martires. First shot is good. Second shot para kay Martires. Wala. Rebound. Makukuha ni Riley. Out of bounds. Xavier basketball. Yanni. Floater short. Rebound by Cruz. Martires. Outlet pass to Ojeda. Ojeda with a Hesi. Tumira. Wala. Rebound ni Santo Tomas. Oy, what a nice defense by Cruz. Martires. Binigay sa corner. Jump shot. No good. Rebound. Out of bounds. Substitution. Cruz coming in. Ayan na si Yani Barreto. Pass to number 33. Pass to Yani. Yani umatake. Bounce pass. Riley with a jump shot. No good. Rebound by Martires. Ojeda with the outlet pass. Cruz. Thiago. Nabitawan. Out of bounds. Bola rito ang Xavier. Time remaining 2 minutes and 16 seconds. Bola ng Xavier. Ayan na. Si Barreto. May tanga ng bola. Barreto with a fake. Walang contact. Walang tawag. Rebound by Yani. Number 33. Catch and shoot. In and out. Rebound by Martires. Steal by Yani. Yani. Sumalaksak. Basket para kay Yani. Ayan na si Cruz. Thiago. Binigay. Wala. Rebound by Pencan. Pencan. Kick out. Number 21. Wala. Rebound by Riley. Out that pass to C. Nakakuha C with a reverse layup. No good. Rebound. Number 33. Pass to Santo Tomas. Catch and shoot. Wala. Rebound ni Cruz. Ayan na si Pencan. Whoa! Basket is good by Pencan. Substitution. Marty Oriel coming in for Ojeda. Time remaining 1 minute and 17 seconds. Villa coming in. Ayan na ang Xavier. Yani, pass number 55. Pass to Villa. Villa with the Hesi. Villa, pass to number 34 to Santo Tomas. Pull-up jumper, no good. Rebound by Martires. Out that pass. Pencan na atake. Sumalaksak. Wala. Rebound by number 26. Ayan na, last 45 seconds. Barreto. Pass to Villa. Villa. There's a foul. Last 30 seconds. Number 55. Jump shot. No good. Santo Tomas. Wala pa rin. Ayan na, Binova. There's a foul. On the free throw area, jersey number 26. That is Sexton. Hello, Sir Omar. Wala na po next game. Last game na po ito. Shoutout kay Idol Omar Zaraspe. 2 game lang po daw tayo ngayong gabi. Ayan na, Texon basket. 26 to 38, last 23 seconds. Pencan to Thiago. Cruz, kinaliwa, basket. 40 to 26. Tenorio. Pass to Texon. Texon na atake. No good. Ayan na. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating laban. What a nice game from both team. Congratulations and nice game para sa home team ang Xavier School. And congratulations to our winning team, ang LaSalle Green Hills. Our final score, 26 to 40. Panalo po ang ating LaSalle Green Hills. And a bounce back para sa Xavier. sa nilang mga paparating pang laban. Alright, maraming pong salamat sa inyong panonood at magkita-kita po tayo sa ating next live. Hanggang sa muli. And shoutout muli po sa ating mga manonood. And shoutout kay Ma'am Carrie Zamora, Mayor Francis Zamora, and the rest of the parents na nandito sa ating venue. Ayan, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. From Saber and Lasal Green Hills, this is the last game sa gabi ito at magkita-kita po tayo. Good night everyone.